Hi, Paul Bedford here from Retention Guru, and in this session filmed for a group of operators in the Netherlands, I talk about the importance of data mining and the use of that data in predictive analytics and how we could use that as an industry to help our customers achieve more from the sort of the goals they want to get, but also just stick to exercise more generally. But it would also help us understand going on within our business so we can plan more efficiently and introduce products that have a bigger uptake and a bigger outcome in the end for the customer. If you enjoy this session, drop a comment below. If you have any questions for me, email me at paul@retentionguru.co.uk and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Enjoy the session.
But this is where digital retention will be going, not just in what I do, but in what other people are doing as well. We data mine the membership database. This is why the data becomes really important. We can create what's called a persona. So I am a 52-year-old male. Does that mean all 52-year-old males are like me? No. Some 52-year-old males like smoking, drinking, and watching football. Now, I like watching football, but I don't smoke or drink, so our personas are different. The types of sports I like to be engaged in or activities I like to be engaged in are things like the gym, but also mountain. What a persona can do is it can actually start to group and identify common characteristics, not of what we do, but how we behave and what turns us on. When they profile me, one of mine is exhilaration, which comes out in the mountain biking. So if they're going to we've got this on offer, they're going to look for things that would be exhilarating in the workouts. If I'm more the calm, laid-back type, it's going to say, oh, we've got this new yoga program. So it's not going to do it by age, it's going to be done by the types of things that are going to turn me on. Facebook did a study of this with Cambridge University in the UK. They managed to get it down to one question. Answer this one question, we can tell you who your persona is. We can classify you in different ways. We can do time series, which is the traditional retention analysis that you've seen me do. We can look for associations between what I do, what I like, and what other people are like, so I can create groups. We can do regression analysis, which means we can test what the relationship is between exercise intensity and exercise adherence. And we know, this is just a general one, that as exercise intensity goes up, exercise adherence actually goes down, which should mean we start to question giving hit to everybody. We can look to see if you're a deviant. You're just odd. I remember there was a guy in a club that I used to run. He always used to say, can we turn one of the treadmills around? Because when I'm running, I don't like to see the televisions. I'm in a row, and there's a bank of tennies, and he wants one turned around. No, he's deviant. We can segment, we can do lookalikes. This is really good for marketing and advertising. Look at your profile of your members, and then look at the profile of your community, and then go, oh, we've got some more of them out there, go get them. And we know what the persona of these people is like, so we can encourage people and write our marketing and do our follow-ups in the same way. But where I'm using all this, because this wasn't designed for retention, this was designed around sales. But I looked at it and said you could flip that and turn it into retention. Because what you can do is you can start collecting data on somebody, and these could be all the different data streams about someone. As I said to you, there could be up to 600 columns. We scrape Facebook. We scrape Twitter. If you join us on Facebook, we can get your data. If you follow our Twitter account, we can get Twitter information about you. If you've got your postcode, we can get about 40 pieces of data about you. And we use that to create a model based on you. Not you, you. Another one for you, and another one for you, and another one for you, so we can look at your unique behaviours within the business. That allows us to update our knowledge about you and the types of ways in which we can support you, interact with you, and help you be successful at exercise. That data stream continues to feed January, February, March. So everything you do, everything you feed, just updates my knowledge further and further and further about you. So I can get more and more accurate in the way that I feed you information. A bit like Amazon does if you shop on Amazon. A bit like Netflix does if you shop on Netflix. So these are the same processes they use.